Welcome back to Infigyan friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting challenging question from rational equations. Here we have x square over x square plus 16 whole square plus x square over x square minus 16 whole square equal to 20, and we have to find out real values of x. So let's get started by writing our substitution as well as identity. So this bracket I will consider A. This time I will consider B. To use this algebraic formula mainly, that is a plus b whole square, it is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So from here we can write a square plus b square, which is required in this question. So a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. So let's apply here in our equation. So left hand side, what is a? A is this bracket x square over x square plus 16. So let me write in this place a plus b whole square. So I will write a is x square plus 16 plus b x square over x square minus 16 whole square. This is our this term a plus b whole square. Now minus twice ab. A is x square over x square plus 16 and b is x square over x square minus 16. And right hand side is 20 as it is. Now I will consider LCM in this bracket first. So I can write the common denominator x square plus 16 times x square minus 16. Little later we will apply a plus b, a minus b, difference of two squares. So x power 4 minus 256. Come to the denominator part. Once you will simplify, then 16 term will be cancelled out. So I will write directly 2x power 4. This whole square. Minus, just check this out, 2x power 4 over, again the same denominator, x square plus 16. In next step, I will apply the difference of 2 square formula equal to 20. Now we know that a plus b formula I am writing a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So let's apply over here. So what I will write after that, let us write 2x power 4 and denominator will be x power 4 minus 256, or let me write 16 square itself. Then I will write minus. Again you will see it is 2x power 4 over x power 4 minus 16 square, or 256 you can also write. Let us write 20 to the left also, minus 20 equal to 0. So straight away it is clear that this bracket is same. You can see bracket is same. So better is to consider substitution A. So equation will converted into quadratic one. A square minus A minus 20 equal to 0. Let's apply quadratic formula, Sridharacharya formula, minus b. So 1 plus minus square root b square. So 1 minus 4ac, so plus 80 divided by 2a, so 2. Then I will write 1 plus minus root 81 over 2. Then I will write 1 plus minus 9 over 2. Then I will write 1 plus 9 over 2, so 5. And 1 minus 9, so minus 8 over 2, minus 4. Here we have two values of a, 5 and negative 4. And remember what is our a. A is 2x power 4 over x power 4 minus 256. So let us apply over there. So first I will frame equation a equal to 5. So a value is 2x power 4 over x power 4 minus 16 square, let me write directly 256 equal to 5. Now cross multiply to find out our solutions. So I will write 2x power 4 equal to 5x power 4 minus 256 times 5. So it would be 1250 plus 30, 1280 equal, no, equality is already there. So now take 2x power 4 to the right and minus 1280 to the left. So I can write 3x power 4 equal to 1280. So x power 4 will come out 1280 over 3. Now I will write this 1280 as 128 is 2 power 6. 2 power 4 is 16, 5, 32, 6, 64, 7, 128. So it is 2 power 7 times 10. We can write 2 times 5 over 3. So it is ultimately 2 power 8 times 5 over 3. Raise both sides power 1 by 4. So I can write x is equal to plus minus 2 power 8 whole power 1 by 4. And then I will write 4th root of 5 over 3. So I can cancel 4 and 8 by writing over there 2. So finally our answer will become x is equal to plus minus 4. 2 square is 4. And then I will consider 4th root of 5 over 3. This is our first solution from the first equation. Pair of solution plus and minus sign. Now let us consider a equal to minus 4 case. A equal to minus 4. In place of a, we can write 2x power 4 divided by x power 4 minus 256 equal to negative 4. Cross multiply, same way. 2x power 4 equal to minus 4x power 4. Then if you will take the product, then I will write plus 1024. Now I will take 4x negative to the left hand side. So it will become 6x power 4 equal to 1024. And 1024 is 2 power 10, we know. Now I can write this one as x power 4 will become 2 power 8 times 2 power 2. So let me write 2 into 2 divided by 6. So I can cancel this 2 and 6 by cancelling over there 3. Now raise both sides power 1 by 4. So x will become plus minus 4th root. Consider 4th root both sides. So I will write same way 2 power 8 whole power 1 by 4 times 4th root of 2 over 3. Done. Now our answer will be there plus minus. I will cancel same way here by writing 2. So plus minus 4, 4th root of 2 over 3. So this is our x value. So we have calculated two solutions so far. Let me write in one go. X is equal to plus minus 4, 4th root of 2 over 3. This is our solution. And plus minus 4, 4th root of 5 over 3. These are our solution for the given rational equation. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care.